camera flashes are usually not the most attractive products, but Canon has made its Speedlite 470EX-AI much more interesting when using artificial intelligence. As photographers know, it is better to bounce a flash from a wall or ceiling to better hold subjects, instead of aiming directly at them. Understanding all that can be painful, however, that's where Canon's AI bounce technology comes in. By calculating the distance between the camera, the ceiling and the subject, it allows beginning photographers to use the ideal lighting and natural brightness of the room, explains Canon. The flash will adjust automatically, even if you move the camera, thanks to the motors built into the base and hinge, and the sensors in the front corner. When you double-tap the trigger, the flash first points to the subject and the ceiling to calculate the distances. Then it is set at the ideal angle for the perfect bounce light on your subject. However, you have to keep in the position of the camera or the whole dance starts again. It can also operate semiautomatically, allowing more experienced photographers to store flash positions in memory, and then remember them when necessary. It includes an optical receiver, but it lacks a radio transmitter if it needs remote study operations.